Is your Nissan Armada failing to launch Apple CarPlay? Let's get your connection back on track in under 3 minutes. Statistically, most infotainment glitches are resolved without a single mechanical repair. First, let's isolate the problem to your phone, the cable, or the Armada's head unit. Start by swapping your cable, checking your phone's privacy restrictions, and rebooting the Armada's infotainment system. Often, an outdated iOS or a conflicting Bluetooth pairing is the silent culprit behind your screen's failure to connect. If it still won't connect, wipe the slate clean by removing the device from both the truck and your phone's memory. Try these home fixes before heading to the dealer, as they often resolve the most common software-based communication errors. As you can see, simply swapping to a high-quality data cable accounts for the vast majority of successful repairs. If you're still stuck, inspect the physical USB port for lint and perform a final factory reset of the infotainment system. Keep a spare certified cable in your glove box to rule out hardware failure immediately next time. Remember, a hard reboot of both devices is often the most effective tool in your troubleshooting kit. If these steps didn't work, you may have a faulty USB module that requires a professional. Thanks for watching.